Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to turn off automatic file downloads in Telegram channels on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open Telegram on your PC. Make sure you have the latest version of the official Telegram app installed. Step 2. Next, click on the hamburger menu located at the top left corner of the Telegram app. This will open the main menu. Step 3. From the menu, click on Settings in the sidebar. This will take you to the Settings page. Step 4. On the Settings page, click on Advanced to access the advanced settings. Step 5. Within the advanced settings, find the Automatic Media Downloads section. Click on In Channel to access the channel settings. Step 6. Now locate the Files option under the Automatically Download section. Click on the toggle next to it to turn off automatic file downloads. Step 7. Finally, click on Save to apply the changes and disable automatic file downloads in Telegram channels on your PC. And there you have it. You have successfully turned off automatic file downloads in Telegram channels on your PC. Enjoy a more controlled media experience. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.